beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So I have this box right here. I have this box right here from Amazon. Quick backstory. I was speaking at an event last year, and they were supposed to get me a microphone and a webcam that I was supposed to use for my talk. So they ended up sending me the Amazon gift card so that I would place the order by myself because of where shipping problems and everything. But then the order couldn't make it in time for the conference, but I got it a day after. I got it a day after, and I've been just holding on to it because I haven't found any reason to use it. And since I am currently trying to sort of revamp my home office in a way, revamp my desk setup in a way, I've currently cleared it. My monitor is gone, there's no laptop there, it's currently empty. It's currently empty. I'm going to unbox this, and then in due time I would set up the table again as well, hopefully. So let's open this up right now to see what is here. So I got what I was supposed to get for the conference. So I got the gift card and I got the things I was supposed to use to get for the conference. And since I was going to since I was buying stuff from Amazon UK at the time, I just decided to add a few orders and just make everything come in one shipment. And I have a personal shopper, and she made this easy for me. So sent a UK address for me to use in my Amazon order. So my order was shipped to that address, and then she helped ship it to Nigeria. So I ended up getting some more stuff than I would have just gotten if the conference people did the thing for me. So I'm going to be showing you what each thing in the box is. I'm going to start with this. I've already opened it. I don't have manners. I honestly don't have manners. So let me just close it back. I just opened it now. I don't know why. So I'm going to start with this laptop stand. So there's a warranty card here. There's a warranty card in here, right? Yeah. It says dissatisfaction. We offer 12-month warranty and lifetime customer service. If you have any questions, we will answer you as soon as possible. Satisfaction. If this product works well and met your expectation, please feel free to share your experience with us on social media or on Amazon. So it's from a vendor called Hokeki. Yeah. So it's from a vendor called Hokeki. I'm going to be leaving the link to the actual laptop stand in the description below in case you want to get it from Amazon. So this is basically what it looks like right now. It's metallic-ish anyway. And how does this thing stand, for God's sake? Please don't embarrass me. My enemies will never see me to embarrass in Jesus' name. So I don't know how to open this up. And I'm trying so hard so that I don't destroy it. And there's no manual or anything like that inside this box. So I actually don't know what I'm supposed to do first. And what I don't want to do is use force on this thing. Okay, cool. I have to use force. Oh yeah, I see the problem. The problem is that I'm not a strong person. So yeah, that's why I'm having issues. Okay, this is going to be something. This is going to be something. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It took all the manpower, in the country to open it up so y'all can see. I'm just going to have my laptop there. Rather, I'm going to have my laptop there. It's going to be more like this. Yeah, it's going to be more like this. I'm going to have my laptop here, and then I'm just going to have this stand. I can put my laptop in here when I'm not using it, or anything else I want to put inside this place. So I got this stand. Something else I got was I'm showing you the things I got for myself first before I talk about the things that I bought, from the conference. So yeah, I have done this thing again where I have actually opened it before I showed you. I have a problem. I have an unboxing problem. I need to learn how to actually make unboxing videos. So I got this stylus pen. I'm going to be leaving a link as well in the description. Super fine nib active capacitive, whatever that is. But so I don't really remember what made me choose this one, but I know that it's compatible with like a lot of devices. And I mostly bought it for my iPad. But in case I want to use it for any other device that I have, I can. I'm going to have this stylus pen as well. It's going to be like a good addition to it's not going to be in my setup, but it's going to be in my office because I'm going to be using it with my iPad. So it's going to be a good addition to all the things that I have. Okay, I'm not going to open this one yet, so let me show you people first. This is a webcam. This is the webcam that I got from Amazon. What brand? I don't see no brand here. Hello. I don't see any brand here, but it's for video conferencing, photographing, e-learning, platform live broadcast, and all of that. It's a HD 1080p webcam. It's pretty cool. So yeah. So I'm going to be using this maybe to be giving. Hopefully my talks like from now on, because I didn't really see the point of investing in this before. Cause like I just give talks, but it's not like it's my profession or anything. I just do it as a hobby. I just do it to share. It's not like I get paid to do it. And everything in my life at this point, I'm treating like a business, per se. Like it's not giving me money. Why am I putting money in it? So I didn't want to outrightly like go ahead and buy a microphone or go ahead and buy these things, because I was wondering like, when our lives go back to normal, what am I going to do with this webcam and with this microphone, as opposed to like the laptop stand that I actually need, that I bought myself, or the stylus pen that I need for my iPad that I bought myself. But these other things, as conference gave me, that's it. I love it. If they did not give me, I wouldn't have wasted my money. I wouldn't have spent my money buying it. So this is what I have an unboxing problem, you guys. Actually, I have an unboxing problem. So this is what the webcam. This is the webcam. This is what it looks like. So it's probably just gonna be somewhere. I open it up like this. Maybe like it's just going to be somewhere on like my computer. Maybe at the top of my big ass monitor. Yeah. So it's gonna be there. And it's a USB. So I'm gonna plug it to USB, and then I can give clearer talks as opposed to like my laptop's built-in webcam, which is great, honesty, but which is good, honesty, but could be great. And the final thing is this thing right here. It is a condenser microphone. I'm just wondering, because so they sent me the Amazon gift card, and I placed the order myself. Honestly, I could have just bought a microphone that stands on the table. I don't know why my mind went to this one. Maybe because it was looking fine. But now I have to think about how I'm going to mount this on like the table, because there's some screws and like there's some funny things I'm going to have to do, Sha. I guess we'll find out in front, but this is a studio microphone. I don't know if you can see this picture, but this is how it's going to be set up when I'm done setting it up, which I think is like really nice, honesty. So yeah, this is what it looks like inside. I'm trying not to do too much. this is what it looks like inside. It has this puff puff thing. I don't know what it's called. You people, if you know what it's called, please leave a comment. It's not my calling. The ones I know, and I'm open to learning. There's this thing. I'm sure I'm going to follow like the manual and then set it up how it's supposed to be set up, and I'll show you a video of what that whole thing looks like when I am done. And yeah, that's everything that I got. I'm also going to leave a link, since I'm doing an Amazon unboxing right now. I'm going to leave a link to my camera as well. Okay, so I was talking and then we are in Nigeria. NEPA took my lights, and honestly I don't have time to go downstairs and like run generator because I was partially already done with the video anyway. So I'm just going to quickly round up and then keep it pushing. I'm just using my ring lights as a source of lights right now for this. So yeah, I already talked about the so I'm going to set everything up here. I'm going to set everything up. I have the microphone. I'm going to use the manual and I'm going to set it up properly. I'm going to set it up like on my table, like make my desk look like 2021 new year, and I have some new things I'm going to add them, and I'm going to see what that looks like, and I'm also going to show you what that looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please thank you very much. Please make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you're not subscribed. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.